10 years from now, I envision a world where everyone is participating in an ecosystem. Everyone understands what their role is in the creation of data, creation of knowledge, and the proper use of it to benefit patients. One of the challenges that is hindering the development of bioinformatics is the rapid change in technology. It's hard to have changes come into place, and when technology itself is changing so rapidly, it's hard to get the informatics structure to keep up with that. I think a good example of that is with next-gen sequencing. So the clinical annotation, by which I mean what does this mutation analysis actually tell you? Is it quote-unquote actionable? Is there a level of evidence to support using a drug? Is there a clinical trial available? What is the preclinical data? That is not very transparent, how that knowledge is generated. There's so much unknown at this point about what mutations mean in terms of making an actual decision on a given patient. And until we get to the point where we can provide decision support and clear guidance to physicians, all this data is just adding to the confusion. So we need a system that can provide trustworthy information that the physician feels confident in treating a patient with. We need to establish what we call clinical utility to these tests. So not only is the test accurate, not only is it precise, but does it actually make a difference to patient care? Until we do that, until we show that if you did not have this information, you would have made a different decision, and that would have been a decision that led to a poor outcome. Until we can demonstrate that, we will not see the payer community move to support the wider use of these drugs, of these diagnostic tests. I think a rich potential field is what is now called predictive analytics. So that is predicting in advance what the clinical history of a patient is likely to be, and hence what treatment is best to reduce that risk of an adverse outcome.